My name is Angela Heinzman. I'm the Regional Clinical Coordinator for Region 14, which is located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, on the North Shore of Lake Superior. To Thunder Bay in 2007 after graduating from the University of British Columbia. I started my professional career in community pharmacy with the local Shoppers Drug Mart and eventually moved to the hospital environment where I now work at Thunder Bay Regional Health Sciences Centre. I'm currently based with a medical unit, but I share coverage with a surgical unit and the emergency department. On my unit, I get to participate in bedside rounds with the Internal Medicine Clinical Teaching Service, which has medical students and residents from family medicine, internal medicine, and general and orthopedic surgery. Outside of the hospital, I am actively engaged in the local pharmacy community. I serve as treasurer for the Thunder Bay Pharmacists Association, which provides valuable networking resources and offers great social connections. Our association is very active and hosts an annual education seminar and several learning opportunities throughout the year. As pharmacy students in Thunder Bay, you are warmly welcomed to our community and will also be invited to participate in these exciting network opportunities. In addition to my duties as preceptor for pharmacy students, I also enjoy the opportunities I've had to foster interprofessional relationships by having medical, nursing, and dietetic students shadow me so they can get a better understanding of the role of the pharmacist in the clinical setting. So as far as your options for institutional setting, basically, you'll have several options of Thunder Bay Regional Health Sciences Centre or MediSystems Pharmacy. MediSystems in town here supplies 3 retirement homes with medication and medication reviews. You will attend family meetings with a geriatric consultant pharmacist who must review each patient's medications annually and then for every new admission to the facility. You will really be able to put your skills to the test as most of these patients have multiple medical conditions and also will be taking several medications. Thunder Bay Regional Health Sciences Centre is a state-of-the-art 360-bed facility with in- and outpatient oncology, a dialysis unit, an ICU, a neonatal intensive care unit, pediatrics, cardiology and stroke unit, and medical and surgical units. The Health Sciences Centre is a teaching facility and we have strong ties with the Northern Ontario School of Medicine and the Thunder Bay Regional Research Institute, and we have one of the busiest emergency departments in the entire province. We have pharmacists on all the units, and pharmacists are directly involved with antimicrobial stewardship and medication reconciliation. The Thunder Bay Regional Health Sciences Centre is a great place to do your placement, but it's not the only opportunity in town. There will be many challenging placements in Thunder Bay with several community pharmacies that offer unique opportunities, such as an IV program that supplies medication to patients who are well enough to go home but may require several weeks of IV antibiotics. Another pharmacy supplies medications to a private seniors residence and reviews their medications regularly and liaises with the physician there. There are also 2 pharmacies that are based within physicians' offices that allows for direct interaction with the physicians and the residents who seek out pharmacists for suggestions and advice with difficult medication therapy problems. So, you've come to Thunder Bay. What are you going to do while you're here? Well, Superior by Nature is the slogan for Thunder Bay, and the community has plenty to offer, especially if you like the great outdoors. In addition to hockey and curling, winter activities include cross-country skiing and downhill skiing, indoor and outdoor skating, and several running clubs that are active all year round. Running, cycling, and hiking are big in the summer. And there are many cultural activities such as movies in the park, the annual Blues Fest, concerts, and cultural festivals. If you're into hunting and fishing, then Thunder Bay is definitely for you, as there are countless lakes here, and rivers, and endless acres of pristine wilderness. Lakehead University has several varsity teams, hockey, track, basketball, volleyball, you name it. In fact, that's one of the advantages of having a university in Thunder Bay. There's no shortage of sporting events to watch. And while it might come as a surprise, we have a thriving foodie culture up here with award-winning restaurants, gastropubs, and a growing microbrewery scene, offering some of the best craft beer anywhere. One local restaurant was recently reviewed by the New York Times, and the author raved that it was the best steak he'd ever tasted. So with a population of nearly 100,000 people, the city of Thunder Bay is not too large and not too small. The area is surrounded by small rustic communities, and major cities like Winnipeg and Minneapolis are less than a day's drive away. So why come here? Well, we may look pretty isolated when you look on Google Maps, but we are a big community, and our professionals have a great sense of teamwork and determination to face challenges together to ensure the best outcome for our patients. A placement here will present you with challenges you won't find anywhere else, and we go to great lengths to find creative solutions to life-threatening situations. Have you ever had the police deliver urgent medication for you? Up here, you might just have to when someone's life is at risk and time is of the essence. So, thank you for considering a pharmacy placement with us here in Thunder Bay, and I look forward to hearing from you in the near future. Please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions that you have. Take care.